This is the elevator at Maur, South Hills Village in Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. It's a KONE. Let's go to. Okay. There are two. Let's go to one. Get you that view. Basic boring cab. So it's 2,500 pounds. Or one. Watch it close. And that's it.